Responsibility Assignment Matrix RACI in Excel. Eliminate confusion and boost team performance with this ready-to-use RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, matrix in Excel. Clearly define roles and responsibilities for each task, ensuring effective decision-making and keeping everyone on the same page. Save time with this easy-to-edit template, no complex formulas or macros required. Perfect for project managers, team leaders, and anyone looking to streamline project workflows. This template contains the following modules. Records. In this module, users can enter relevant project data. This section is essential to keep a clear and organized track of all important project elements. Attributions. Here, the acronyms and explanations for each role within the RACI matrix are defined. This module includes the following categories. Responsible are the person who performs the task or activity. Accountable, the person who approves the work done. Consulted, those who are consulted and whose opinions are considered. Informed, people who need to be informed about the progress and results of the project. Verifier, the person who validates that standards and requirements are met. Authorizer, the person who has the final authority to make decisions about the project. RACI Matrix. This module allows users to begin defining the attributions for each project activity. The matrix is organized in such a way that each task is associated with the corresponding roles, helping to avoid confusion and overlaps in responsibilities. This structured approach ensures that all team members are aligned and know exactly what is expected of them. RACI Report. Once the matrix is completed, this section generates a detailed report summarizing the activities and the roles assigned to each of them. The report is useful for reviewing project progress, identifying potential areas for improvement, and ensuring that all participants are aware of their responsibilities. This module can also be used for presentations and follow-up meetings, facilitating communication of project advancements to stakeholders. In conclusion, the RACI template in Excel is a comprehensive solution that not only helps organize tasks and responsibilities but also promotes clear and efficient communication within the team. By using this tool, project managers can ensure that each team member is well informed and committed to the project's success.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.